It's a great day to get monetized on YouTube. I'm gonna say it again. It's a great day to get monetized on YouTube. I'm Anthony, and welcome to the My Time community where we help you grow your channel as you grow your life. And in this video, I just want to have a conversation with you. I just want to have a conversation because I don't want to tell you it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 steps. You're going to have a conversation on growing your YouTube channel. And I'm just going to give you some steps that help me grow my channel from this to this. And have some videos go, I say viral for me because I remember a time when I only had 5 or 10 views. And this video got over 10,000 views. So I want to just have a conversation with you. Because a lot of people that come into my lives that we do, YouTube lives, and come into the comment section of some of these videos, they say, man, they want to have a big channel with 100,000 subscribers and be monetized in 2 weeks and 3 weeks, like they see some of these gurus say. That's fine and dandy. You could be monetized in a week. That's fine. I'll take it. But there's a process for you to be monetized. There's people say, get monetized as fast as possible. I agree, get monetized as fast as possible because that's a way for you to make that money fast as possible. But there is a process. There is a process that I call the creator's journey. Specifically for YouTube, the creator's journey. And if you want to write this down, you can write this down. The creator's journey. And what I mean by that, when you starting on YouTube, if you've never been on YouTube before, the creator's journey starts with the idea. What you want this YouTube channel to be. What do you want this channel to be? Do you want to be an entertainment channel? You want to be a motivational channel? You just want to sit here and talk about nothing? Or do you want to help people get out of the situation that they're in? Do you want to help people overcome a challenge that they have? I'm just having a conversation with you. You got to understand what is your why for starting YouTube. And the second thing, why do you want to be monetized? I know why I want to be monetized. Because you got that money hanging out there and you want to advertise my video to these ads and these companies, and they're going to put ads on my video. Hey, yeah, I want to be monetized. Yeah, you want to take some, give me some of that money? Give me some of that money. But the real reason to be monetized is you want that recognition. You being your authentic self. This for those who want to motivate and inspire the people that call and assign to them. You want to be monetized because you're seeing, oh, I'm being recognized. Oh man, I'm making money just being myself. And that's another thing. You want to be yourself when you grow on your channel. Because you understand your why. Now you grow on your channel being your authentic self. You don't got to worry about, oh, I got to make up some scripts. Oh, I got to worry about, oh man, what I'm going to talk about. You know what you're talking about because you've been through that experience. You've been through that experience because it's a great day to be monetized. So if you understand that, I want to encourage you, get on YouTube. And if you're already on YouTube, post some more videos. Keep posting videos. Even if you're not sure how the video is going to work out, keep posting those videos. Because as you build this muscle in this YouTube journey, the creator's journey, you're going to get better. You're going to get better at speaking in front of the camera. You're going to get better creating the thumbnails. You're going to get better presenting the information that you want to present. It's a great day to get monetized. But you have to have a step and a process in your mind knowing that it's not going to happen overnight. Some of these people say they got monetized in 2 days. That's fine. Let them get monetized in 2 days. What's going to happen in day 55 when nobody watched that video? Do they have something to fall back on and say, why are they not watching my videos? Or what did I do wrong? Did they like the thumbnail? They didn't like the thumbnail. Did they like the title? Or they didn't like the title. Going through this creator's journey, you can understand the things that's happening to these videos that you post. Because if you believe it or not, you're learning as you're going on this journey. As you're going on this journey, you're looking at these videos and saying, wow, I got 1,000 subscribers to this video. Oh yeah, I got 10,000 views on this video. What did I do right? What did I do wrong? So what can I do to change this video so I can get 100,000 100,000 views. All of this is going in your mind saying, I'm learning through this process. That's the main key I want you to take away from this video. As you go through the YouTube creator's journey, you're learning through the process. I don't want nobody to go viral and get monetized on their first video, because it's going to stunt your growth. If you go viral in your first video, that's good. Nothing's wrong with that. But if you go viral on your 30th video that you posted, you got 30 videos of experience that you may not even realize that you post a video. You look at these subscribers growing, and you look at the watch hours growing. Then you're looking at the analytics. You're looking at the age group that's watching your videos. And then you're looking at the times that they watch the video. Then you look at all the subscribers, where they coming from, what countries they come. When you get into the analytics, you start growing in this journey. And as you grow in this journey, you realize, wow, I learned something. I learned some things. And when you get monetized, going through a journey, you'll appreciate it so much more. Because if you get monetized on your first video that you posted because it went viral, you're going to say, wow, I got monetized. I'm going to do the same thing over and over again. But you don't realize what you did to make that video go viral. Can you maintain that? That's what I'm saying. I keep saying the creator's journey for YouTube. The creator's journey for YouTube. But I want you to understand that YouTube is a journey that you go on. And once you get to a certain point in that journey, YouTube is going to say, wow, they put in their time. They put in their time because they got 4,000 watch hours. That means people watch all the videos they made and they accumulated 4,000 watch hours. Okay, we're going to look at them. When they got the 1,000 subscribers. Oh, they got the 1,000 subscribers. They went through that journey. Let's get them monetized. Let's check out their channel to see if they got original content. Let's check out their channel to see if all those subscribers are their real subscribers. Are they connecting with those subscribers? That's why you can create a community of like-minded individuals that will rock with you to help you get your YouTube monetization kicked off. So that's why I'm telling you, it's a great day to get monetized. And I want you to get monetized doing the creator's journey. Posting videos, posting shorts, going live, not in that specific order. But if you want a specific order, type down in the comment section, hashtag order. Hashtag order. Do a short. Pick a title and a topic, do one short. Put some music in the background that's popular at this time. Post that short. That's step number 1. Step number 2, do a long form video, 8 to 10 minutes. Post that video on the same topic and the same title. Post a long form video, 8 to 10 minutes. Post that video. And once you get 50 subscribers, go live with the same topic and the same title and the same music in the background for a little bit of that live, because the long form video is just a live going a long form video format. With the same title, same topic, but you could talk for a half hour or an hour or 2 hours on the same title and topic, and you can grow your YouTube channel, because it's a great day to get monetized. I hope this video has been a blessing to you, because a lot of people in my community, they're growing their channels. One person had 20 subscribers. Everybody in the community came together and like, yeah, we're going to make sure you get at least 50 subscribers so you can go live. And she went live. And she went live. Had another person in my community, they went live, but they didn't realize what they was doing. But yet we came in as a community, as a group. We had 15 people there. And even though it was 15 people, they got over 11 hours of watch time for less than an hour's work. Not knowing exactly what they're doing. That's where the community comes in and can help you grow and get monetized on this creator's journey, which I call the creator's journey of YouTube. So if this video has been a blessing to you, leave in the comments. Let me know where you're at on this step. You're just starting out in YouTube. You're a new YouTube content creator. If you're new, I definitely want you to type in the comment section, #I'm new. So we can understand who you are and we can rock with you and help you grow your channel as you can grow your life. So this video has been a blessing to you. Like I said, leave a comment in the comment section, because this is my life, this is my experience, this is my time. Because in My Time Community, we help you grow your channel as you grow your life.